Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the iconic corpse bride Emily look from Tim Burton's classic film in Dress to Impress. So if you want to know the precise items to create the beauty of Emily's, you can just watch this video. So now let's just get started. So first, let me show you the hair that I use for Emily's look. So I'm using this two from the curly hair, but for this one I only use the bangs, and I also use this two from the wavy hair category. Now for the color, I'm using this hex coat, this blue hex coat right here, and for the hair I also used this flower as the accessory, and I'm changing all the flower into this dark gray color and toggle it into no spikes. Now for the skin tone, here is what I'm using. Okay, so this is the skin tone that I use. You can copy this. And now I'm going to also change the nails color using that skin tone right here. The color. Now for the outfit, you can just head into this section first and put on this top. Now for all the dress, I'm going to use this pale color, like light gray color right here, except for the lace I'm going to use a little darker one. Okay, for the shoe, I'm going to wear these heels. Use the same color like the top, muted color. Now let's go to the dressing room to put on the dress. So for the dress, I'm going to use this item from the currency item, this dress in here. Change all the color into this nude colors right here. So it looks like white, but it's a little bit dull. Okay. And I'm going to combine it with the skirt from this dress, this one. So toggle it into skirt only, same color, like this. And now for the accessory, I'm going to grab this flower, and for the flower, I'm going to color it with dark blue combined with some this gray colors right here. Just combine those two color like this. So now this is the final look of Corpse Bride in DTI. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next DTI tutorial. Bye.